Good morning, children. Let's continue with the chapter number 14, and our next topic is tsunamis. When severe earthquakes occur underwater, huge waves called tsunamis are produced. So children, what is tsunamis? When severe earthquakes comes under the water, then huge waves come out and that waves are called tsunamis. These waves at times 30-meter high can travel at very high speeds between 250 to 900 km per hour. So they have given the speed of the waves at times 30-meter high and the speed is between 250 to 900 km per hour. They cause a lot of destructions to lives and property. So they cause lots of destructions to lives and properties in coastal areas. So mostly the tsunamis, they occur in the coastal areas. In 2004, there was a major underwater earthquake in the Indian Ocean. So in 2004, in the year 2004, there was a major earthquake underwater in the Indian Ocean. This resulted in a tsunami that killed over 2 lakh people across different countries around the Indian Ocean. So children, here the sentence says that there was a major earthquake in 2004 in the Indian Ocean and that resulted and killed over 2 lakh people across different countries around the Indian Ocean. So 2 lakh people were killed in that tsunami in the Indian Ocean. Now our next topic is cyclones and hurricanes. These are strong winds which uproot trees and cause destructions. So children, what is cyclones and hurricanes? These are the very strong winds which uproots trees, which destroy trees and cause destructions. In coastal areas, they may lead to a sudden rise in the level of the sea which may destroy buildings and crops on the land. So children, in coastal areas, they rise in the level of the sea and they may also destroy the buildings and crops also on the land. The wind speed can reach higher than 100 km per hour. So the speed of the cyclones and hurricanes is higher than 100 km per hour. Now we have to do the precautions. Now what are the precautions we have to do? Pay close attention to cyclone and tsunami alerts. So when there is a alert of cyclone or tsunami, we have to pay close attention. Move to higher areas and stay away from the sea, trees or buildings. So we have to move to the higher areas, away from the coastal area, and we should be away from the sea, trees or buildings. Wear warm and waterproof clothes. So we should wear warm and waterproof clothes. Keep a waterproof bag filled with food, water and an emergency kit. So we should wear warm and waterproof clothes, and also we should keep waterproof bag which should be filled with food, water and an emergency kit. Do not leave your shelter till an all clear is declared. So you should stay at home during the cyclone and do not leave your shelter, or we can say do not leave your home till an all clear is declared. Till then the weather is declared clear, we should be at home. Now our next topic is floods. Sometimes when rivers overflow due to excessive rains, floods occurs, lives are lost and property is destroyed. So children, what is flood? When rivers overflow with the water, and how it overflows with the water? Due to the excessive rains. More rains, flood occurs. and due to the flood, lives and property is destroyed. After the flood, many water-borne diseases such as malaria, cholera, typhoid and jaundice also claim many lives. So, when flood is over, so due to the excessive rainfall and dirty water, these disease occurs. They are malaria, cholera, typhoid and jaundice, and because of these disease many lives we lost. Crops are destroyed. Even the crops are destroyed due to excessive waterlogging, which may lead to famines. So, due to the crops destroying due to the rain and excessive waterlogging, so which may lead to the famines. Now, what precautions we have to take during the time of floods? If you have time, move your important belongings to higher ground. So, if you have a time, you can move your important belongings to the higher ground. Stay away from flood water as it may be contaminated or have snakes. So, we should be away from the flood water because sometimes the flood water it may contains snakes also. If you need to wade across flood water, use a rope or a boat. If you want to cross the flood water, you may use the rope or a boat. Keep a waterproof emergency bag with food, water and medicine. So, here also we should be ready with the waterproof bag, and in waterproof bag we should keep food, water and medicines. Keep a torch and a radio handy. So, we should keep the torch and even the radio handy so that we can hear the news. So, children, we have completed the second part of the chapter. Continue in the next video. Till then, take care.